My husband and I recently transformed our loft area into a movie theater, so I'm going to show a few of our favorite things from redecorating here. The popcorn machine we got off Amazon was absolutely incredible. It works great. These pillowcase covers here match the room so perfectly. All the popcorn seasoning flavors and the popcorn buckets as well have been absolutely phenomenal, as well as this amazing large projector screen that we got off Amazon too. It lowers, it has a remote to function it well. We put LED lights behind it to make it really come to life. So this basic popcorn machine looks old-fashioned, but it's super easy to use. You just turn on the light, lower the switch like that, pour some of your popping oil into the bucket, just like so. It does come with spoons. We like to measure with our heart. Also gonna pour the kernels in. Like I said, it does come with a spoon, but we just measure with our heart. Pop that back up like that and turn it on. Close the door. Wait just a few minutes and you'll have a fresh batch of popcorn. We like to display our seasonings up here so that as soon as the popcorn's fresh, you can pour the popcorn into the buckets and season with our favorite flavors.